Have you ever wondered how animals are taught to do those cool tricks you see at dog shows or dolphin shows at the aquarium? There's actually a lot of work that trainers put in to teach the animals to behave like that. First off, learning is defined as the process of acquiring new information or behaviors. There are two types of learning: classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Let's talk about classical conditioning first. Pavlov was fascinated by the thought processes of animals and designed an experiment to see how they learn to know when their food is coming. He did this by observing the way dogs would automatically salivate when they see their food. Each time he brought out their food, he also rang a bell.
He did this several times. One time he didn't bring out the food, but he still rang the bell. Because the dog knew that when it heard a bell, food was coming, it would salivate. Thus, the dog learned to automatically salivate just by hearing a bell.
This type of learning is called classical conditioning, which is when one learns to link two or more stimuli together and anticipate events. Another type of learning was observed by B.F. Skinner. He discovered that if he gave food to a rat each time it pushed a button, the rat would push the button more often. This is called a reinforcer because the food is reinforcing the rat's behavior. This is also how dog trainers teach their pets to do tricks. They reinforce their pets jumping in the air or catching balls by rewarding their behavior each time they successfully complete an action. The same concept can be applied to teaching an animal to not act a certain way. By punishing them, the animals will learn that their behavior is not wanted and will stop. Believe it or not, operant conditioning is how a lot of parents teach their kids how to act. By rewarding them with playtime or candy when they clean up their room, they are reinforcing the positive behavior. By giving them time out or taking away their toys, they are showing that their behavior is unacceptable, and children learn not to act that way in order to avoid punishment. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it. And as always, if you have any other science topic or questions you'd like to see in any upcoming NISI videos, make sure to leave it in the comments below.